While facing heat from opposition BJP amidst the alleged extortion ring, Maha Vikas Aghadi cried conspiracy to topple the government. NCP chief Sharad Pawar, in defiance and defending the government, has said that allegations came to fore only after former top cop's transfer, and that his letter does not say who got the money. Here's a complete report.
A letter that jolted Aghadi government.
These allegations had been made by him when he was shifted from important post to unimportant.
Explosive claim that left Maha Vikas Aghadi red in the face. Facing heat from the BJP over alleged extortion ring run by State Home Minister and NCP Neta, party chief Sharad Pawar alleged a political conspiracy.
मगर जहाँ तक सरकार की वसाबिलिटी है, सरकार के स्टेबिलिटी के ऊपर इसका कोई असर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट इज वेरी सीरियस एंड गवर्नमेंट इज फुली अवेयर कि ऑल दीज एलिगेशन इन फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर.
On Parambir's charge of rupees 100 crore extortion demand by Anil Deshmukh, Pawar claimed the letter does not say who got the money.
In his briefing to me and his letter which I read, there is no information about actually collection of money or actually money has been transferred or handed over to CM and not CM, Home Minister or his staff.
Sharad Pawar denied BJP's charge of role of Chief Minister Uddhav in bringing back Vaze and claimed the tainted corp was actually reinstated by Parambir himself.
Under whose pressure this Sachin Vaje, who is supposed to extort money, was reinstated? या शिवसेना का दबाव था, मुख्यमंत्री का दबाव था, या शरद पवार का भी दबाव था?
The decision to reinstate in service was neither taken by CM or Home Minister. It was taken by CP himself. And he was reinstated and immediately he was given very important sensitive assignment.
BJP claimed that Pawar is trying to whitewash role of Uddhav government.
ये बात सही है कि वाजे इनको नियुक्त करने के लिए एपिलेट कमेटी ये परमवीर सिंह इनकी अध्यक्षता में ही थी. नियम के अनुसार उनकी अध्यक्षता में वो कमेटी होती है, उस कमेटी ने निर्णय लिया. लेकिन वो निर्णय लेने के बाद सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जगह वाजे को दी गई. सारे महत्वपूर्ण केसेस वाजे इनको दिए गए. क्या सरकार को यह पता नहीं था? क्या मुख्यमंत्री और गृहमंत्री सोए थे?
NCP ally Sena left it to Uddhav to decide on Deshmukh's fate.
अनिल देशमुख बने रहेंगे नहीं बने रहेंगे मुख्यमंत्री बता सकते हैं. कैबिनेट के प्रमुख है, वो मुख्यमंत्री है. और सबने भी यही कहा ना कि निर्णय मुख्यमंत्री का होता है कि अपने कैबिनेट में किसको रखना है या किसको निकालना है, वो तो मुख्यमंत्री का अधिकार होता है.
But the BJP has been steadfast in calling it a loot by Aghadi government, putting the blame directly with Chief Minister Uddhav.
100 करोड़ टारगेट था मुंबई से, तो कृपया करके उद्धव ठाकरे, शरद पवार जी बताएं कि पूरे महाराष्ट्र का टारगेट क्या था. If this is the target by the Home Minister, then what was the target by the other ministers? एक शब्द, ये करप्शन नहीं है, इसे कहते हैं ऑपरेशन लूट.
As the Vaze gate reached Pawar's doorstep, the NCP chief has chose to stand by the Aghadi government. Will his move to shift the blame to Parambir Singh cut any ice?
With allegations and counter-allegations flying thick and fast in the Maharashtra pot boiler, the Maha Aghadi government finds itself in a tough spot. In the center of the controversy is Home Minister of Maharashtra Anil Deshmukh and the status whether he will last or whether the government is going to brazen it out, or whether this government is willing to address the rot within. These are some of the tough questions for the Maharashtra government. With camera person Anil Jaiswal, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Let's bring you the 5 bombshells dropped by Parambir Singh. Number 1, he says Anil Deshmukh asked Sachin Vaze to extort 100 crore rupees per month. It's a grave allegation that is coming in. Bombshell number 2, he has gone ahead and allegedly pointed out Deshmukh's misdeeds to the Chief Minister in March. That's a big allegation that is coming in. The third bombshell is that Deshmukh called Sachin Vaze at his official residence in February. Let's get you the fourth acquisition. Big one right there. He says that some Maharashtra ministers are also aware of Anil Deshmukh's misdeeds. The fifth one, he says Anil Deshmukh instructing and interfering in probes. These are the 5 big allegations coming in by Parambir Singh against Anil Deshmukh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.